Hello everyone. In today's class, we will speak about the avenues of investment or is the ways of investment. So I have categorized this five types, that is securities, deposits, postal schemes, insurance and real estate. Under each type, there are a lot of sub-contents. We are going to study each and every one in detail. So under securities, there are stocks, bonds, debentures, government securities, money market instruments, derivatives, and mutual funds. Under deposits, bank deposits are there, non-banking financial deposits are there, and under postal schemes, monthly income schemes are there, national savings schemes are there, Vikas Patra is there, and PPF, Public Provident Fund is there. Then life insurance policies and ULIPs comes under insurance, and under real estate's precious metals, art and antique trade is there. So you can invest your money in these all segments. And which is better? We are going to decide that one through investment process. First of all, we'll go for the stocks, or we'll call it as shares. So under shares, we have equity shares and preference shares. There are many more types under preference shares too. I'm not going to focus that one. Under equity shares, blue chip shares are there. What is blue chip shares? Blue chip shares means financially sound companies and the high performing companies shares. Under BSE, they mention about top 30 performing companies. Under NSE, they mention about top 50 performing companies. BSE index is Sensex and NSE index is Nifty. So BSE and NSE mentions about 30 high performing companies and 50 high performing companies. Totally it may be 80 companies or less than that, because sometimes the common company shares are treated as a high performing in both the markets. Then comes growth shares, where the shares value is grown year by year. Then comes the income shares. The income shares are that type of shares which gives the regular dividend. Then defensive shares, the value of the shares or the price of the shares is not much fluctuated. For the security, the investor used to purchase these shares or hold these shares. Then cyclical shares, those shares which used to face the cyclical situations. You are already studied about the business cycle, the beginning, then growth, then boom stage, then after decreasing stage, then trough stage. Once again, that will come to beginning stage. Then comes the speculative shares. Speculative shares are that type of shares which is used by the speculators. Usually, these shares bought and sold to earn the profit. The price of these shares are sensitive. It is volatile. Fine. Then comes the preference shares. The equity shares are the ownership funds, whereas the preference shares are that type of shares which will get the first preference in the payment of dividend, even in the redemption at the time of the liquidation or at the time of the end of agreement. Then comes debentures and bonds. What is the difference between debentures and bonds? Debentures are the debt securities which is issued by the private sector, and bonds are the debt securities which is issued by the public sector. If the debt security is issued by the private sector, then that is called debentures. If the debt securities are issued by the government sector or the public sector, then that is called bonds. So under bonds, fixed and floating interest bonds are there. Fixed bonds means the return or the interest is fixed, whereas floating bonds means the interest may be a floating or changing. Then comes the government securities. So government securities are very liquid instruments. The price fluctuation is also controlled by the government. The return is very less, and if any investor needs the security, then he used to prefer the government securities. Under money market instruments, treasury bills are there. What is treasury bills? Treasury bills are the certificates which is issued by RBI in India. If the treasury bills are issued in India, that is issued by Reserve Bank of India. They used to issue these certificates for 14 days, 91 days, 182 days, 364 days, likewise. So these certificates are for short term. That's why money market instruments are treated as very liquid one. In international market, if European countries are issued treasury bills, then that is issued by European Central Bank. Next we'll go for certificates of deposit. Certificates of deposit is issued by National Board for Agricultural and Rural Development, and the term is 3 months to 1 year. Here too, this is very liquid one. You can convert these certificates for cash very easily. Then comes the commercial papers, which is issued by the private sector. Then comes the derivatives. About derivatives, I have explained in the previous class under the structure. And about the mutual fund also I have explained, but here we are going to study about the mutual funds in detail. In brief, mutual funds means pooling of the money from the public and investing in the portfolio. So mutual fund companies are collecting the money from the public, from the small investors, and they are going to invest in the portfolios. So what is portfolio? You will get to know in coming classes.